One more video for the day. So I have assigned some work in Seesaw, and some students had trouble getting in today, so I want to show them how. Now, I've added my daughter to my account, and she is not actually a student at Palm Springs. So the way that she will get in will be different than the way that you will get in. The first thing you need to do is go to Clever and click Seesaw. Once you're there, when you log in, you'll click I'm a student, and you're going to log in with your Gmail, your school Gmail. If you've logged in before, it will automatically recognize you and it will send you in, just like it did with Addison's. So I know that I have assignments assigned to me if I see the word activity and a number there. The assignment that is due today is finding a theme. We worked on theme in reading today. The theme is the lesson that you or the characters learn. So this is the one that you need to complete and submit to me. This is how you do it. You click Add Response. And then you want to put a text box you can type. See, the text box is here, and you will just move it to where you want to type. Sometimes it doesn't want to work with us. There we go. Move it to where I want to type. You can expand it. Then you can type your answer. You are going to need to read the directions. Look here, it says view directions. It tells you exactly what you need to do on it. Okay, it has 2 pages. The directions are there. So I'm ready to work. I'm going to type my answer. The theme is, and you're going to type the answer. I am not. Then I'm going to go to the next page. It's right here. I click on it. I need to add another text box. So I do that and I drag it and expand it. I'm going to read. You can highlight your text evidence if you want. Look at that. Highlight your text evidence. I do expect to see text evidence highlighted. Then I'm going to come right here and I'm going to type. You're going to put the answer. I am not. So now I'm ready to come down here and do this one. I'm going to read it. I'm going to highlight my text evidence. After I do that, I'm ready to put my text box there. Drag it down, expand it, and type my answer. When you're done, going to hit the green check. And you just sent it to Miss Ballou. Notice now it says 4 activities. A while ago it said 5. These other activities are not activities that you need to do. The vocabulary, the contraction, and the other vocabulary, I use these in some small groups, but I assigned it to everyone. The preposition quiz we will be taking later on. So that is what you need to do today. That is how you do Seesaw. I do expect that you're working in it.